Namaste. My name is Dr. Bharti. I am a busy consultant gynecologist working in one of the reputed medical college in Bangalore. I was tested positive for COVID. When I got this news, I was not able to accept this because as a doctor, we are taking so much of precautions to prevent ourselves from COVID infection. But I was worried not about my health, but I was worried about my family, the effects of sealing down the house, all those things. So I was supposed to be hospitalized uh, for as per the protocol of the government. When I was shifted to hospital, there I was asymptomatic and I was supposed to be with symptomatic patients. So as a doctor, you can never think small complications. We will always think about the worst possible complications that can happen because of any disease. So the anxiety, the stress, what I had, I could not express with anybody. Though the medication or the drugs, whatever the doctors were giving, will heal my infection. But what about anxiety? Whom I should contact? I was not aware. In that situation, I just got the support from Unnati Healing Foundation. What they did, it was something amazing. They did proper, regular healing and also counseling and interaction with me. That made me to come out of the situation very easily. And I was there for 5 days in hospital. And even my test came negative after 5 days, which is something surprising, which I couldn't believe it, but it just happened. The counseling, what they do, so many organizations will do counseling, but here the human touch given by Unnati healers and the most important, the yogic healing, what they do is something amazing which gives you the results, something very nice. And I also underwent some of the supportive sessions that Unnati gave during that period during COVID patients, for COVID patients. And even my postgraduate students who came positive, they also attend these sessions and they also become very positive in their interaction because they were so much undergoing so much of stress because they cannot tell their parents they're positive. So finally, they also came out along with me with flying colors. Though I came back home and was supposed to be there for isolation, under home isolation, for quite long time, during that period also, Unnati supported me. Thank you, Unnati, for such wonderful support what you have given in such difficult situation. I'm very grateful to Unnati Healing Foundation.